realised it hasn't really recorded too much. And we're sitting up of the new place I moved into, so I'll show you that real quick. And also sitting right there is my new daily. We have a car passing by, probably wondering what the f I'm doing, but yeah, we'll wait for them to pass. We've been here for about a week. Keen to show you the daily, show you the garage and stuff like that, and update it. So this is our property here, pretty dope. The garage is around the back. I'll show you that soon, but there is the mad daily. This right here is a 2003 Subaru Impreza wagon. It's NA, 2 litre, but works really well for what it is. Pretty excited to have something way better than I did before. It's NA, which I know it's not great, but it's way better than what I had before. I sold the 121 and pretty much picked this up the same day. One owner. It's a bit rough around the edges, but manual. I got it tinted the day after I got it because it had no tint. It has like pretty much nothing done to it. I don't have my keys on me, so I can't really show you on the interior, but it's pretty standard. She's pretty G. Into the house. Let's get started. So yeah, we're gonna start from, I guess, the living room. This big open room here, which we have nothing to put in. Yeah, so this is, I guess, the first living room, or I guess you'd call it the, I don't actually know what you'd call it. Yeah, this is the living room, and through here would be the dining room. We haven't got much furniture at the moment, unfortunately. It's all in the mail. We've only been in here about a week, so we're waiting on like a couch and a table, obviously. Most of this stuff in here is going to end up in this room here. We've got a laundry in here, first bathroom in there. We'll get to the garage later. It's out there, it's your garage, and you can just see the S14, which is sweet, on axle stands. But yeah, we'll shoot upstairs and have a squizzle. Can also see the new daily sitting out the front. Yeah, we'll shoot upstairs and have a squizzle. Yeah, so 3-bedroom house, another bathroom in here. That is the guest bedroom. It's messy because we've had people over already. This is going to be my study, or is my study. PS4 setup, Warzone with the boys. Yeah. Also editing and stuff like that. I use that monitor to edit videos and whatnot, so this will be my little room. Guitar setup and everything else. A couple things here and there. Yeah, don't mind the mess in here, but this is the main bedroom, master bedroom, whatever you want to call it. Massive walk-in robe. It's pretty awesome. And the view, yeah, I can't complain about that. It's pretty G. When the sun's actually out, you can actually see mountains and stuff over here. I think it's pretty wicked. Can't complain with that. Every morning, that's east, so the sun actually rises up in here. It's really good on a Saturday, Sunday morning, whatever. Super pumped and excited. Oh yeah, ensuite in there as well, with a massive shower. I don't think you can see how big that actually is. Like, it's massive. It's awesome. Yeah, I'm super stoked to actually have my own place, to be working on cars and stuff like that. It's not that far from where I used to live, so that's a plus. Might just open this up and get some sunlight in here. Yeah, we just don't have any furniture. That's better. Yeah, we've already ordered the furniture. It's just gonna take a while to come here. So for the moment, we've just got some chairs and stools and stuff like that. Oh, kitchen's really nice. Everything's pretty open and spacious. And yeah, that's outside. We'll shoot out there in a minute and have a look at the S14. This thing is looking a bit sad. Poor thing. We'll open up the garage and get some light going on in here. Shout out to Club Lethal. Lethal Nights Volume 2 was sick. Super glad. Yeah, my partner isn't here right now, so I can use the space to film and whatnot. Poor thing, it's on axle stands. Why is it on axle stands? It's not broken per se, there's just a few little things I want to fix here and there. I want to chuck the coilovers back in. The adjustable arms are still on the way. I've checked tracking info and emailed them and stuff. They're not here yet, but they're coming. Oh wow, more coolant. Yeah, you can't see that. Hopefully that is what I've already fixed, but we're gonna find out. I had a coolant leak. I'm pretty sure that's just from the bucket. So this is my little setup area, I guess you'd say. It's pretty messy right now because I'm working on stuff. I'm gonna show most of this tomorrow, but there's a coolant leak down there that I've had to fix, and I think it's still leaking, so fantastic, but that's a tomorrow problem. Yeah, look who just got home. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna leave it there. I'll throw in some clips of the daily and what I plan to do to that. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Peace.